Hey everyone, welcome back to FreshenOPT Air Filter Channel. Today we're changing the engine air filter on a 2024 Acura TLX. Before we get started, don't forget to grab a new cabin air filter and a pair of gloves to keep your hands clean from dust and dirt. Open the hood and you'll see the engine air filter housing. Press down the two tabs to unlock the engine air filter housing cover. Pull out the old engine air filter and insert the FreshenOPT engine air filter. OMG, this old filter is definitely due for replacement. Say goodbye to dirt and dust. Push the two tabs back up to lock the engine air filter housing cover. And that's it, super easy. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Want the same OEM quality filter? Get now at FreshenOPT.ca. Members save 10% for Life Plus free surprise kits. Link in description.